Hello everyone, and welcome to another review of a Mensela tool. You might have seen recently my video about the electric chainsaw made by the same brand. You can find somewhere here maybe a link for that video, and I was totally impressed by the performance, how well it cuts even big logs. So that was very good, because this brand has actually a lot of experience with electric stuff. They even make electronics such as pure sine wave inverters, and they do pretty good quality electrics, so their tools are also okay. So in the box, this is a bundle version. I'm going to add a link for it somewhere in the video description below. You get not only the cordless drill, but you also get a lot of accessories for it. It comes of course with a pretty decent manual with English language and a lot of instructions there. There's the clip for the holder there. So let's take a look at the drill. And it's actually really heavy, seems to be solid. This is a 3-in-1 cordless drill. It has 3 functions. It has the screw function, it has the drill function, and the hammer function. This also has a percussion mechanism that creates vibrations, so theoretically you should be able also to make small drills in masonry, in concrete and similar materials. Also it comes with an adjustable torque here for screwing up various types of screws without overdoing it, and of course the drill options. And it also has a 2-speed gearbox, so you can choose better torque or faster speeds depending on what you are going to drill with it. Also it comes in this package with not one but actually 2 lithium-ion batteries, 2 amp rated, and they say that this battery has 21 volts. Now let's quick test to see if this works or not. So the battery is inserted. The battery doesn't have any kind of level gauge, so it doesn't show you the charge level. It's just guesswork, and there's also no indicator on the drill for that, but you get a nice and bright LED when you activate this, but you don't know the battery level. The accelerator is pretty good. It's progressive, and you have very good control. You can go slow, you can go fast, and it accelerates really fast. It also has auto braking, so when you release let's call it accelerator, when you release this very fast, the drill will stop right away. It will not spin anymore. That's very good also. And the gearbox works pretty good, but don't shift it under load, only shift it when it's powered off. Alright, and you have here the setup for this, and this should also vibrate when you press this. It has a vibrating, oscillating mechanism, and of course you have the reversing button here. Also you have a lock function, so in this position you lock the accelerator. That's good for when you are storing this and you don't want to accidentally enable it. And also let's do a quick test to see how this works. So I'm going to take the largest wood drill bit here that you get included, and I'm going to insert it in the chuck. Alright. And I'm going to take one piece of wood. So let's see how this goes. It goes in really fast, so it has a lot of force, and even with this big one you don't need to spin it a lot. Pretty good performance there. Let's try one of these now. Let's see how this will do. It goes in really nice, and I'm smoking the wood right now. It's still impressive. It has a lot of force, so the motor, the battery are supplying enough power. So actually, to use this, it's a matter of using high quality drill bits to get the work done, but even the included ones are decent as a starter kit. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So I absolutely recommend this, and it's a good starter kit with a lot of accessories. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.